Drivers, young kids, a lot of them, their dads, their moms, all doing it. Future of the sport. This is where Nate Poshik got started. Hey, you started it, brother. The attitude. All right, are we ready? Coffeeville, Kansas, let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag, go. Where are you at, Sutton?
Oh, jeez.
Get him.
Oh, I want. Oh, jeez.
Oh. Busted the hum plate on the Ford.
And these little cars are gonna get busted.
We got a couple tied up. There we go.
Got their dad come in and they're all like around in the same area. Let's see.
Get in there and hit somebody.
They're really just trying to get each other all in like a circle. Oh, he's going there. He's going. Oh!
Something's over here trying to bust a wheel off. What's up, my man?
That's what you do, bust wheels.
Won't go.
Oh, jeez. This little one is.
Hobbs, get in there and hit somebody.
Get in there and hit somebody.
Oh!
Oh man, we get into the collision circle. There's so many going on. Oh, there's one going on. He's just going on his little Saturday cruise. This is like a pit of death over here. They're all just getting each other.
He's coming for you, girl.
Yeah, you can't drive peacefully. Oh,
he's running like he's running for Mad Dog.
I'm trying to get all of it.
Sutton, you need some more gear.
More gear. There's just like this little one. There's like two little ones.
Yo, you need to get back down here.
Hey, where are you going?
Get back down here, sandbagger.
Sandbagger. Oh, wait. You don't know what over here? Oh, they're just in a whole basket.
And they're picking on the 178, aren't they?
I don't like it.
Hey, you, sandbagger, let's go.
Go, sandbagger.
You don't win no checks sitting down here.
This is great. Prime entertainment. Why are these two? Oh, go out there and get them. Don't.
Hey, have we got a clock on this kid? Ooh, that'll
yeah!
Now go get him.
Woo! This is probably the best part of the drag
You're just
race.
gonna sit there and let you tear your own stuff up.
Probably the best part of the. Get him! Get him! He's finally doing something.
You gonna go? What's the matter, bro? Are you mad?
Hey, Rowan.
No?
I see
You just don't want to hit? Why not? You got the cool helmet and the neck brace.
Hello, Kobe.
Hello. Wonderful.
Don't hit the camera, lady.
That wouldn't be good. Nobody over here. Oh, they're all just gathering. Yeah. Little devils. See, oh, there's again that one over there is just get each other, get him. Oh, there's like.
Oh, Sutton, they're ganging up on you.
Ganging up on Sandbagger.
How much time we got left? 2 minutes? 2 minutes left.
There's just obliterating that John Deere. Oh. That one's more interested than not.
Go get him, Maverick.
I got the pink one.
Hey, that's a door shot.
Door shot. Some of these don't even got doors.
You get one warning.
See, Dad, this is why I need a power wheel. Shut up.
That's it. All right, let's count them down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're out.
Job. Give
You're
it
out.
up,
Get, you're
Tommyville.
fired. Get out.